บัวลอย everyone brand tasty easy to cook and enjoyable for family meals you can buy at convenience stores Macro and Lotus บัวลอย everyone brand is glutinous rice flour bowls they are beautifully rounded shape perfect combination with coconut milk only few steps to follow Firstly, use 3000 ml of whole coconut milk. You may use the fresh coconut milk, which contains a nice smell and flavor. Add 400 grams of sugar. Add 3 teaspoons of salt. Add pandan leaf for floral flavor to the coconut milk. Stir until melted together. Be careful, do not get too boiled and overcooked. Now, it's time forบัวลอย everyone brand. Tear the package and pour in fully boiled water. Wait until they float about 5 minutes or until they are soft. While waiting, gently stir so they won't get stick together. Then fish them out into the coconut milk that we have prepared to stop the cooking process. Letบัวลอย absorb the flavor and the sweetness of coconut milk. What sesame and young coconut milk can be added in this process? And now they are ready to be served. So chewy and so yummy.บัวลอย everyone brand tasty easy to cook and enjoyable for family meals บัวลอย everyone brand dough of sweetness so yummy so delicious